Welcome to Elite Service Masters. In today's video, we're diving deep into the future of handyman services and uncovering the hottest trends set to shake up the industry in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned handyman, a DIY enthusiast, or a homeowner looking to stay ahead, we've got you covered. From smart home tech to eco-friendly practices, get ready for some game-changing insights. First up, we can't talk about the future without mentioning smart home technology. In 2024, handyman services are going high-tech. With the surge in smart devices like thermostats, security systems, and voice-activated assistants, handymen are now expected to be tech-savvy problem solvers. Imagine being called not just to fix a leaky faucet, but also to sync it with a smart water-saving system. Crazy, right? But this is where the industry is heading. So if you're in the handyman business, it's time to brush up on your tech skills. The demand for smart home integration is skyrocketing, and those who can master it will have a serious edge in the market. Next on the list, the green revolution is here to stay. Eco-friendly practices are becoming a must in 2024. Homeowners are increasingly aware of their environmental impact, and they expect the same consciousness from their handymen. This means using sustainable materials, recommending energy-efficient appliances, and even providing green solutions like solar panel installation. Not only is this good for the planet, but it's also a smart business move. Offering eco-friendly options can set you apart from the competition and appeal to a growing demographic of eco-conscious customers. Moving on, let's talk digital. In 2024, the handyman industry is going fully online. Digital platforms and on-demand service apps are transforming how customers find and hire handymen. Forget the old-school phone book listings. Today's customers are tapping their screens, comparing reviews, and booking services with just a few clicks. For handymen, this means visibility is key. Having a strong online presence, good reviews, and a responsive service can make or break your business. The more connected you are, the more jobs you'll land. Now let's talk tools of the trade. 2024 is bringing some serious upgrades in this department. We're talking about advanced tools that make jobs faster, safer, and more accurate. Think laser measures for precise readings, cordless power tools that pack a punch, and even AI-driven diagnostics that can pinpoint issues before you even step foot in a house. These tools aren't just for show. They're becoming essential for staying competitive. With the right gear, you can increase efficiency, reduce errors, and provide top-notch service that keeps customers coming back. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the customers. In 2024, customer expectations are evolving, and handymen need to keep up. It's no longer just about getting the job done. Customers are looking for a seamless, professional experience from start to finish. Being punctual, transparent with pricing, and leaving the work area spotless are no longer just nice-to-haves. They're expected. Plus, with the rise of online reviews, your reputation can spread like wildfire. A happy customer might leave a glowing review, but an unhappy one. Well, you get the picture. And there you have it. The top trends shaping the future of handyman services in 2024. Whether it's integrating smart home tech, going green, embracing digital platforms, upgrading your tools, or exceeding customer expectations, the key to success is staying ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Elite Service Masters for more tips and insights on home improvement and handyman trends. Stay tuned and stay ahead.